Do you guys hear it? It sounds like there's like a mini village or villager when you mine the wood. It's like I don't know if it's like a certain like at the very end. It's very quiet. Sounds like wah, wah. Like you hear it, right? That was pretty loud. No, there is someone else in the chat hears it. See? I'm not alone. This is the one guy I will accept. You do hear it, right? You do hear it. What if I like keep breaking the blocks until you guys hear it? Will you hear it then? I think you will hear it.